A beautiful day, huh?
It is. It's
Though very humid.
It is little humid, but it's a good day to fish. Any day's a good day to fish.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
What is up, adept anglers? Today we are at Howard and McCormick. We are at one of our,
literally home.
Have we fished any more places than this very spot?
No, I think I've caught more fish here on accident than most people have on purpose here.
And he's not lying.
That's not even a joke.
Yes. Local angler, die hard. This is basically, you can call it chain spot. Yeah, he's here all the time. It's really, really cool though. We've fished this spot almost our entire life so far. I mean, pretty much, yeah. We fished this our entire life.
Yeah, since mid-90s, early 90s for me, I've been fishing this area. Caught, like I said, I've caught salmon out of here, carp, crappie, man, you name it. We've caught it out of here. It used to be a very well hidden spot, but you know, as time went by, technology,
social media.
Yeah, it's just, but yeah, very, very, very nice spot.
Absolutely. But we are out here, just like the old days. We're gonna go for carp and bass, maybe even catfish if we can catch some kind of bait for the catfish. But yeah, let's get to it. Looking forward to it. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
And that's why Booyah should sponsor me. Oh, bro, this rod is so flimsy. It was such a great, I felt him like knock the blades and everything. Oh, there's one. There's one, boys. Woo. Heck yeah. First cast, Chicago River, largemouth bass. Awesome fish. Look at that chunky fish. Traditionally, August has been pretty good for bass on the river. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful fish. I'm gonna take the hook out. Okay. All right, guys, we're going in for the release. Beautiful chunker. You got one? Were you gonna say something? Were you gonna say something, bro? Should I? This rod's this way. I should bring in this rod. Oh, too late. I already got you. Just put this right here since it's snagged on your line. Here we are. Old school. We're here with Shane Singletary. And he just hooked up with a common carp. Great fish, dude. Perfect.
Cool, man. Sure.
Yeah, my line's kind of snagged with your line there.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. Okay. All right, go ahead. Do your thing. If you could get that hook out, that's cool. If you want to get his out, however. Whatever makes it easiest on both.
Buddy,
he's not that big, man, but he put a,
you mind if I take
he smacked that. It's a nice little fight on. Oh yeah, he was hooked. Oh man, he was not getting off. Cool, man.
Nice. That's what Shane's using, that hook right there. It's a beautiful hook too, dude.
We'll
Oh, wait.
figure that out in a minute.
Right.
No worries. Get him on camera and release him. I'm not gonna get a pic of him.
Whoop. All right, well, there's Shane's carp. We're going in for the release. yeah.
Ooh, George got another one. George just got one right now. He got a small largemouth. He's a beauty though. They gotta get small before they get big. He popped it on the jig too, which is like a big deal. You know what I mean?
Boy, did I pop. I felt that and I popped him all right. Let's go.
Let me let you go, brother. Call me over there, man. No, 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 no. No, no, sorry. He's another one. Whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Reel him in, dude. Fight him. Put him. Pull him. You got it. Reel. Reel. Get your momentum. There you go. 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 You're good. He's coming towards you, bro.
He's off. Oh, no.
No, he's not. He's real hard.
I'm gonna have to jump down there, buddy. Because now he's gonna take me in the tunnel. I'm coming right here. Get that rod. Get that rod out of there.
Oh, he's already.
That corner on me, I'm fucked.
It's already on there. No, you're good, dude. Just reel him in.
Get him in.
He's not even fighting.
He's right there. Right.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's he at? Oh, he's out there. I see him. I see him.
Oh, man, he's strong, dude.
We got a huge tangle up here of all our lines. There we go. Got him in. Got him in the net. There you go.
Oh man, this one helps.
Nice fish. Good fight. Nice fish.
Yes, sir.
Good job, Shane.
Yes, sir. Camera's off. It's off. Let me.
It's on. You're good, right there. We'll pick out the lines and stuff later. Look at that carp, dude. Beautiful fish. Shane Singletary here in the evening, Chicago River. We came here in the late afternoon, fishing into the evening. Shane's got 2 carp on. Yeah, he's just using whole kernel corn over here.
Okay. Yeah, that's that same. Put it down. That's that same hook that had got bent earlier, but I had re-bent it, just put it back in, and yeah, somehow was able to still catch a nice size one. So yeah. That paid off. I was gonna change the hook, but man, I just decided to roll with it, and yeah, man, I just happened to get lucky. He stayed on, so.
Heck yeah, dude. Nice fish.
We're gonna get untangled here. We're gonna get him back.
There you are. Beautiful common carp by Shane Singletary here on common carp caught on whole kernel corn.
I'm gonna use this little. Hold on, buddy. You gotta do. Hold on, buddy. There you go. Okay, be fine.
Yes, sir. Nice job. Alright guys, that's going to do it for us. Home body of water, Howard and McCormick, Shane Singletary.
What up, guys?
Geo. It was fun. 2 carp.
Yes, 2 carp.
We got 2 carp.
And 2 bass.
Yeah, and 2 bass. I was trying for carp. I cannot catch carp.
I was trying for bass. I cannot catch bass, so I'm not exactly sure what was going on.
Even exchange, but it was a fun day. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in 1 week, every Friday. I appreciate you guys' support. Yeah.
See you soon.
Last days of summer, guys, so we're trying to get it in. Little
Yeah.
carp and cat fishing, trying to do some night fishing.
Yeah, we're gonna make it happen.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for sure. There's gonna be some action. We'll keep you entertained as much as possible.
Absolutely. Enjoy the evening. Have a wonderful week.